Well, as we speak, Accra has folk are overtaking Asante Kotoko on the Ghana Premier League table after match day 22. This follows after say Accra has folk and Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Oche, Heart of Lions, Asho 2-1. Ghana Premier League match day 22 outstanding league fixture. Also Monday, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Quite unfortunately, but I say in the sanity. Already the league log say my class of folk was 7th and a Kotoko 8. Wabe Kotoko 3, Kotoko 7 and no Wabesha and a Kotoko drop it to 8th following that particular results. No coach Watara Yamona Baswaya de pa Kubasa Sante Kotoko in the last 3 home games. In the last Premier League home games, Kotoko losing 9 points. In Tianyanga was a Omo ateki over. So and no 7 position across of folk after match day 22 or 32 points. Kumasa Sante Kotoko Akoto 8 with 32 points, but a goal difference and across of folk and a lead Krobia Sante Kotoko. Yinti na yensha so goal difference no no kwa ne ade across of folk edi lead but enyehu next Kotoko game against Nations FC Baba Yara Sports Stadium. We hope say Kotoko ebe state claim no na wajampia ko 35 but adwe Kotoko 32 we ya da ho achepa na me hope say ebe ko 35 but still ya da so da ho yembo akra so fuck for na ba so in news no elsewhere Ogum story no ha Ogum has been charged by the Ghana Football Association Doma Hinkro incident na isi ye no mpanyifo a charge Ogum Ogum wo up to Thursday and as a Wednesday cry so be kwa koyi no ho ano nti eno ni information a abusua ewo ho for Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ogum has been charged nti say no Ogum ebe kwa koyi no ho ano ansa na verdict bi aba ukunipa kra na ye fro ebusa ema uyi ho ano nti eno no ene de ewo ho Kumasi Asante Kotoko next game na against Nations FC original derby Emmanuel Kotei returning to the pitch. Emmanuel Kotei Kotoko ne Aduana no wa mobi because of the fact say no or accumulated cars na accumulated yellow cars no 3 unya na say you are going to mix a game no enema Emmanuel Kotei ends me anchor sa game ni but the information is that say no he's fully okayed to be featured in Kotoko next game against Nations FC or Baba Yara Sports Stadium in the next league fixture, which is the match day 23. We hope for the best for Krobia Asante Kotoko.